This is a flagpole holder. Says it's 316 stainless, 180 degrees adjustable. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you between $36 and maybe $26 on a special deal. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinions remain my own. Right, so in the package, we have the stainless steel flagpole holder itself. It's a very polished look there. It comes with 4 mounting screws. So the provided screws overall length is 2.3 inches. Kind of length to the base there is about 2.1. And it has some masonry type anchors in the unit itself. There is a thumb screw here for fixing your flag in there. There is a very small hole in the bottom right in there, so if any water gets in, it could weep out that hole. And then you have this kind of teeth arrangement where you can adjust this guy to stick straight out or go, 90 degrees up or 90 degrees down. So whatever angle you want your flagpole from the mounting bracket, and then this guy tightens back in, and those teeth are pretty big there, so as long as you get that moderately tight, it is not moving. That thing's going to fix where it is. So the real question is it really 316 stainless? And this part sure feels like it, and that part feels like it. The thumb screws have a little bit more attraction. I think that's just because they're worked. So like the wings don't really snap too much. The threads snap a little more. I think the thumb screws are still stainless, however. And the mounting screws are definitely stainless here. There's very little attraction there. So yes, I am confident that this is not going to rust. It looks pretty darn good. Let's check and make sure the 1-inch flag diameter is accurate. So it has 1.05, 1.03 on the interior diameter. So as long as your flagpole is exactly 1 inch or less, it'll go in there pretty well. The depth that it goes in there is about 3.5 inches deep there. So that's how far your flagpole is going to go in. So that screw goes in a good 1/4 inch, so it could probably work with a 3/4 inch pole as well. And I don't know if you can see the weep hole, but there is a weep hole down at the bottom there for water to weep out. So the included anchors, the instructions say it's 8 millimeters or 0.8 centimeters or 0.31 inch diameter drill bit.